Hey everyone, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I've had to mute the sound in this video because there was music in the background that probably shouldn't be in this video, but this video is about the escalators you see in front of you here at Parliament Station in Melbourne. This station opened on the 22nd of January 1983, and at that time these escalators were the longest in the Southern Hemisphere. I don't know about now, but at that point in time these escalators were the longest in the Southern Hemisphere. So what I'm going to do in this short video is just take you down these escalators and then wrap it up, so enjoy. And that was that. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, favourite the video, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.